Welcome back to the Stebbins Garage YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be working on the 92 Firebird. It still doesn't run, but we're going to put on a spoiler from a 92 Trans Am anyway. This one came from Hawks Motorsports, and I want to show you how to do it because my car came with a Firebird spoiler, so we're going to need to drill some holes and line everything up. So let's get to it. So in case you're wondering what was in that big box, it was this spoiler from Hawks Motorsports. We're going to take this old spoiler off. We're going to have to do a little work to figure out where the holes are for this and get this mounted. And then I can go ahead and paint it to kind of match the patina that's on the car. But we're going to go ahead and get this spoiler off. I need to move that over to the 84 and get Mike's spoiler back to him. Mike showed up. We're putting the spoiler on. We're just trying to get everything lined up. So we got to put these little brackets here, and we're trying to figure out where they go. They pretty much go there. Maybe we're just going to have a little bit showing. So we'll do that on both sides, and then we're going to have to obviously fill these holes and then figure out where the holes go for the rest of it. Shouldn't be too bad. I'm stuck. All right, we've made our templates. We just used some cardboard, made our tape templates. We should have taped them to that and then cut them out, but instead, dummy me, flipped them over and held them in place. Don't ask why. So we got that. We're gonna flip this over onto the car. These hooks actually have to slide in from the, like, further forward, and then we'll lay it down. We're gonna tape this template on both sides to the car, and then we'll mark our holes, and I think that'll take care of that. We got to drill them out, put the bolts in, and it should be fairly straightforward. Then it'll need to come back off so I can scuff it and paint it. All right, so our templates are in place. There's our holes we need to drill. You probably couldn't use these templates for your own car because they're going to be a little bit different. I should probably just go ahead and drill straight through so I get a reference for the other thing. I don't. Can you hold this from popping up?
Yeah.
I think it's latched. Just hold it that way I don't get anything. Oh, I just popped that out. Oh, there's a hole right there.
It's got a plug?
Yeah, there's a plug. I just popped the plug out. So I'll have to. There's probably one for the other one too. Sweet. All right, so the front one will go in there. We'll probably have to cut that if I can get away without cutting it. And then there's the hole for the other one. Getting some. I probably need to make it one more, don't I? Just a little room.
Yeah, maybe.
Those will go like that and like that, and there's supposed to be a washer or whatever.
Right.
All right. So that's going to do it for another episode of Stebbins Garage. I hope you enjoyed the spoiler install. We got a lot more stuff to show you inside in the engine bay. I've been working a couple hours every night trying to get this thing running. Stick around. I'll show you what the progress looks like in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.